I'm here with my Dash mini rice cooker and I am making some hard-boiled eggs.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
This is how I've been making hard-boiled eggs recently. I do have other appliances that specifically cook hard-boiled eggs. I also have the Hamilton Beach mini multi-cooker that I've used for hard-boiled eggs. I've been so super busy the last few months and the last few weeks especially that I've just been taking a shortcut, and when I have my Dash mini rice cooker out, I just use it instead of taking one of the other appliances out. So this is how I make hard-boiled eggs in it. There's the rice cooker, and here are my eggs. I'm just gonna grab 5 of them, and I'm just gonna start filling up the rice cooker with eggs. I'm using large eggs, and usually 5 is all that fits in here. So there's 4, and then I could fit like 1 here in the middle. So there's 5. Now I'm gonna take some water and just pour some water in here. The eggs don't have to be totally covered with water because the water will steam the eggs. Then I put the lid on and I press cook. And then I set a timer for 30 minutes. So when I use my other appliances that make hard-boiled eggs, they don't start their timer countdown until the water is up to a boil. And a rice cooker takes a while to get the water up to a boil. That's why I set my timer for 30 minutes. I just find that to be a good amount of time to set this, forget it, and then come back when I hear the timer going off. So that's what I'm gonna do now. It's been about 35 minutes and I just unplugged the rice cooker. The timer went off after 30 minutes, but I was on a work phone call, so I couldn't get to it right away. So this is why I really like these small appliances, because you can juggle other things and do a lot of multitasking without totally ruining your food or having to keep a steady watch on a stove or something like that. So what I'm gonna do now is set another timer for 15 minutes. By then the eggs will cool down a little bit and they will be completely hard boiled. So we'll be back. Okay, it's about 20 minutes later. Once again, the timer went off at 15 minutes, but I was in the middle of doing something else. So now it's another 5 minutes later. Let's open this up and take a look at what's going on here. So here are the eggs. Nothing is cracked. No cracked eggs. I'm gonna grab the top one. They're still very warm. I just ran it under some cold water. So here's the egg. Let's crack it open and let's see what's going on inside. It's definitely still warm. Very hot actually, but it peeled nicely. I'm going to run this under some more cold water. I ran it under cold water just for a few seconds, and that's what it looks like inside. It's a nicely hard-boiled egg. Now with hard-boiled eggs, you can tell when you overcook them because they get the gray ring around the yolk. You can see that there's a very, very slight ring of gray around the yolk. That's because I did not get to these eggs exactly when the timers went off, but that's fine. I personally don't care about the gray ring because these are just for me and they taste fine either way. So I'm really happy that I can make these hard-boiled eggs in the Dash mini rice cooker. And so that's how easy it is to make hard-boiled eggs in a Dash mini rice cooker. I like to have hard-boiled eggs in my fridge for days when I have absolutely no time for breakfast. What I'll do is I'll grab a piece of fruit, maybe 2 pieces of fruit, some juice, and 2 hard-boiled eggs, and to me that's a really good breakfast and it will totally keep me satisfied until lunch. So it's super convenient to have hard-boiled eggs around. It definitely helps me save money because I'm not out buying fast food or prepared breakfasts. Nowadays, a breakfast sandwich could be anywhere between $5 and $10, and it's just so much cheaper to have a few hard-boiled eggs, some juice, and some fruit, and it's much healthier also. It's really good to make sure you're getting enough servings of fruits and vegetables in a day. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.